Hi everyone, today in front of me I have this LENOVO Legion smartphone and I would like to show the top 3 home widgets that you can add to this device. So let's go ahead and start. In order to access the widget menu, you gotta find any vacant space on any of your home screens, tap and hold, go for the widgets and the opened additional home screen menu. And here you have all kinds of widgets. So to start off, I'll recommend that you add this time plus weather widget, which is very cool. It allows you to monitor a lot of things at once. So as you can see, it does not load the weather, but just give it some time and it will load up the actual weather of the actual location you are at right now. The next widget that I highly recommend on adding is the time plus CPUs. Just choose the home screen that has enough space to fit it in. And here you'll also be able to see the time, date, and some very cool graphic card and processor metrics, which is a very cool thing to have. In order to rotate basically any widget, just tap and hold and place it wherever you like. Or actually you can also move it to another home screen, which I'm going to do. And the final widget that I would highly recommend on adding is the dialer widget. Or as it called here, direct dial. So basically it allows you to choose any contact from the contact book of your phone. I'll go with, I don't know, hard reset, for example, just to show. And on your home screen you will have an opportunity to dial the important contact of yours just by tapping once, just like that. In my case, I cannot dial this number since I do not have my SIM card inserted into the phone, but once you add the contact that you'd like to have the fast and quick access to dial to, you'll just be able to click on it and the dial will start. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye.